What if you could improve your English every single day without sitting at a desk, without opening a textbook, in just 15 minutes each morning?
15 minutes.
That's it. And we are going to show you exactly how. Welcome back to Easy English Leap. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake.
15 minutes every morning. Today we have 4 practical steps, a speaking practice section, and a word tour at the end with 10 words you will actually use.
It's a good one. Let's go.
Before we get into the 4 steps, I want to talk about why morning is the best time to practice English, because it's not just about having free time. There is a real reason why the morning works.
What's the reason?
Think about a sponge, a clean, dry sponge. When you press a dry sponge into water, what happens?
It absorbs everything immediately.
Exactly. It soaks it all up. Fast. But now imagine a wet sponge, already full of water. You press it into more water and...
It can't absorb as much.
Right. It's already full. Your brain works the same way in the morning. When you first wake up, your mind is like a dry sponge. It hasn't been filled yet. No work stress, no social media, no problems to solve. Just clean, empty, ready.
So the first things you put in
Are absorbed the deepest, the most clearly, the most permanently. This is why the morning is so powerful for learning. Not because you have more time, because you have more space.
That's a completely different way to think about it.
And it changes everything. If the first English you hear in a day is clear, slow, and interesting, your brain holds onto it. It becomes part of your day. But if you wait until 9 o'clock at night, when you're tired, when your brain is already full,
The sponge is wet.
the sponge is soaking wet. You might still learn something, but it's harder, it takes longer, and it doesn't stick as well.
Okay, I'm convinced. Morning is the time.
Morning is the time.
Can I tell you about someone?
Please.
Her name is Sarah. She's not a real person, but her situation is very real. Sarah works long hours. She gets home at 7 or 8 in the evening. She makes dinner, maybe watches something, and by 10 o'clock she's exhausted.
No time for English.
No time. Or no energy, which is the same thing. And every day she would think, I'll study tomorrow, or I'll do it on the weekend. But tomorrow came, the weekend came, and nothing changed.
How long did this go on?
A year. Maybe more. And then one day she had a simple idea. Not a big change, just one small thing.
What was it?
She started turning on English audio while she made her morning coffee.
That's it?
That's it. 5 minutes. Maybe 6. While the coffee was brewing, she listened to an English podcast. Simple topics. Nothing complicated.
And what happened?
3 months later, she could hold a basic conversation. She understood more. She spoke more naturally. Not because she studied for hours. Because she was consistent.
Every single morning.
Every single morning. The sponge was dry, and she filled it with English.
That is the power of a morning routine. And today we are going to give you 4 steps you can use starting tomorrow morning. Step 1. Listen. 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes.
Yes, you do not need to study. You do not need a textbook. You just need to listen to English. Something easy, something you enjoy.
What kind of English?
A short podcast, a few minutes of an audiobook, an English conversation like this one, even a YouTube lesson at half speed. The key is English is going into your ears. Your brain is warming up, like stretching before you exercise.
I love that image.
You wouldn't start a run without warming up, right?
Well, honestly, sometimes I do.
And how does that feel?
Not great.
Same with English. If you jump straight into hard grammar or difficult vocabulary first thing in the morning, your brain resists. But 5 minutes of easy listening first, you're ready.
Okay. Step 1. Listen. 5 minutes. Easy content. Got it.
Step 2. Speak. 3 minutes.
Who am I speaking to? I'm alone.
Yourself.
Myself.
Yes. This is called morning self-talk in English, and it is one of the most powerful things a language learner can do. Not because it sounds cool, because it trains your mouth to produce English before your day starts.
Before the stress. Before the emails. Before the meetings.
Before any of that, when your mouth is still fresh, when you're still relaxed.
And what do I actually say?
We are going to practice that together in a moment. But the idea is simple. You ask yourself a few questions, in English, out loud. And you answer them, in English, out loud.
Even if the answer is not perfect?
Especially if the answer is not perfect. Because you are training your brain to produce English, not to translate. That is the difference. When you think in English and speak in English, even simple English, you are building the habit of thinking in the language.
Not translating from your first language.
Right. Translation is slow. Speaking is fast. And speaking to yourself, alone, with no pressure, in the morning, that's the safest place to practice.
Nobody is judging me.
Nobody, not even the coffee machine. Okay, let's practice step 2 right now. This is your morning English self-talk. We are going to go through some phrases. Listen first, then repeat after me. Out loud, not in your head, out loud.
Out loud. Your mouth needs the practice, not just your brain.
Ready?
Ready.
First question, repeat after me. How do I feel today?
How do I feel today?
Good. Now answer it. Any answer. I feel tired. I feel good. I feel a little stressed. Anything. In English. Out loud.
I feel reasonably well. Thank you for asking.
Perfect. Next one. What do I need to do today?
What do I need to do today?
Answer it. What's one thing? I need to finish my report. I need to call my friend. I need to buy groceries. Just one sentence.
I need to record a good podcast episode, apparently.
You are doing well. Next one. I am grateful for.
I am grateful for.
And finish it. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for this morning. I am grateful for good coffee. Gratitude in English trains positive language patterns in your brain. It is a great way to start.
I am grateful for decent coffee, which I haven't finished yet.
Last one. Today I will focus on.
Today I will focus on.
Today I will focus on. Today I will focus on. Staying calm. Today I will focus on. Speaking more English. Today I will focus on getting my work done before 5 o'clock.
Today I will focus on drinking my coffee while it's still warm.
Valid. Completely valid. That's it. 4 sentences. 3 minutes. Every morning. You are training your brain to start the day in English.
And it really does get easier. I actually do this sometimes in the morning, and after a few weeks it starts to feel natural.
It becomes automatic. An anchor habit.
We'll come back to that phrase in a few minutes.
We will. Step 3. Write. 5 minutes.
Write what?
Anything. In English. This is your English journal. Not a perfect essay, not correct grammar every sentence, just write.
Can I write about my day?
Perfect. Today I woke up at 7. I had coffee. I felt tired. That is enough. That is real English writing practice.
It sounds too simple.
That's exactly the point. If you make it complicated, you won't do it. If you make it simple, you do it every day. And doing it every day is the whole strategy.
Small coins. Every morning.
They add up. And over time, the writing gets better naturally, because you're thinking in English, because you're listening in English, because you're speaking to yourself. It all connects.
What if I can't think of anything to write?
Use a prompt. Simple ones. What was good about yesterday? What am I looking forward to today? Describe something near you right now. Pick one. Always.
A blank page is scary.
A blank page is scary. But a page with one question on it? That's easy.
Step 4.
Step 4. Review. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. The shortest step.
And possibly the most important for vocabulary. This is where you look at 3 to 5 words from the previous day or the previous week, and you review them. Not memorize again, just review.
Like refreshing your memory.
Exactly. Because the brain forgets fast. If you learn a new word today and never see it again for a month, it's gone. But if you review it on day 2, then day 5, then day 10,
It stays.
it becomes part of your permanent vocabulary. 2 minutes every morning to look at your recent words.
A simple vocabulary notebook or app is enough.
That's all you need. The word, the definition, one example sentence, review in the morning. 2 minutes.
Okay, so let me put this all together.
Let's do it.
5 minutes listening. 3 minutes speaking. 5 minutes writing. 2 minutes reviewing. That is 15 minutes.
Total.
And you're saying anyone can do this.
Anyone who can wake up 15 minutes earlier. Or anyone who already has a morning routine, making coffee, brushing teeth, eating breakfast, and just needs to attach English to it.
Attach English to it. What do you mean exactly?
This is the anchor habit idea. An anchor is something that keeps a ship in place. It doesn't let the ship float away. In habits, an anchor habit is something you already do every single day without thinking, without effort. It just happens.
Like making coffee.
Like making coffee, like brushing your teeth, like getting dressed. These are your anchors. They happen automatically. Now, you attach your new habit to the anchor.
So instead of just making coffee,
You make coffee, and you listen to English at the same time. The coffee triggers the English. The coffee is the anchor.
you're not adding a new habit from nothing. You're attaching to one you already have.
Exactly. And this is why most people fail at new habits. They try to add them from nothing. No anchor, no trigger. 3 days later, they forget.
But if it's attached to coffee,
You will never forget the coffee, so you will never forget the English.
that's actually really clever.
Simple. And simple work.
So the full morning plan. While you make your drink,
Listen. Step 1.
while you get ready, speak to yourself. Step 2. When you sit down with your drink, write. Step 3. Last 2 minutes of your break, review vocabulary. Step 4.
15 minutes. Attached to things you already do. You don't need extra time. You just need to turn what you already have into English time.
I love how practical this is.
If this is helping you, hit the like button right now. It tells us you want more lessons like this. And if you're new here, subscribe. We post new English lessons every single day. every single day. Time for the word tour. 10 words from today's lesson. Listen, repeat, remember.
Word 1.
Intentional.
Intentional.
This means doing something on purpose, with a clear goal. Not by accident, not without thinking.
I want to be more intentional about how I spend my mornings.
Intentional. Your turn. Say it.
Word 2.
Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed.
When you feel overwhelmed, you have too much to deal with at once. Your brain cannot handle everything.
When I think about learning English, I sometimes feel overwhelmed. There is so much to learn.
Overwhelmed. Say it.
Word 3.
Consist.
Consistent.
Doing something regularly, every day, without stopping. Not perfect, just regular.
The most important thing is to be consistent. Not fast, not perfect. Consistent.
Consistent. Say it.
Word 4.
Mindful.
Mindful.
Paying full attention to what you are doing right now, not thinking about the past or the future. Present. Aware. Calm.
I try to be mindful when I practice English. No phone, no distractions. Just the language.
Mindful. Say it.
Word 5.
Productive.
Produtive.
Using your time well. Achieving things. Getting things done.
15 minutes of focused English practice is more productive than 1 hour of distracted studying.
Productive. Say it.
Word 6.
Refreshed.
Refreshed.
Feeling clean, new, and energetic again. Like after a good sleep or a glass of cold water.
After my morning routine, I feel refreshed and ready for the day.
Refreshed. Say it.
Word 7.
Energized.
Energized.
Full of energy. Ready to do things. The opposite of tired or drained.
When I speak English out loud in the morning, I actually feel energized, not embarrassed.
Energized. Say it.
Word 8.
Blank page.
Blank page.
A page with nothing written on it yet. We also use it to mean a new beginning. An empty space full of possibility.
Every morning is a blank page. You decide what to write on it.
Blank page. Say it.
Word 9.
Absorb.
Absorb.